welcome back YouTube. Yeah, it's been a while. I've not managed to get a whole lot of work done on the bus recently, but we're here this weekend. We've got a nice 3-day weekend, so we're going to try and get it in paint if all goes well. So yeah, we're just doing a couple of the little repairs down here on this side. They were just like tiny little sort of, we had a small rusty hole there, tiny one on the front corner here, and a tiny one there, and then this thing in the middle was just like it's had a previous repair on the door, and it was just lifting. There was like a little lump, so I took all that back, ground all them out, welded them all up, and sorted this one out. So yeah, that's basically it on this side. Let's have a wander around, see what we've actually got left to do. So this side is done, that just needs rubbing down, ready for paint. This side we've got 2 repairs left to do here. I think that's it on the back, to be fair. The tailgate is out there at the moment, just having a couple of bits welded up on it. So this side again is majority done, so we'll block this down later on. I know there's a couple of little pinholes and stuff like that in the middle of the door, so that needs sorting. The front door and front wheel arch, again, still need sort of finishing off, and then they're ready for primer. The front, we've only got that, and I found another, I don't really know if it's visible on camera, but that little bit there, which is like it's like a dent from the inside, to be fair. And then yeah, tailgate is here. So we just welded up the little bits on the edges, popped the dent out of it in the middle there. So yeah, we're pretty much there, to be fair. A couple more small repairs, and then yeah, we can get it in primer. So that's the aim for today anyway, is get it all done and dusted into primer. Then tomorrow, get it all blocked down properly, and hopefully get it painted tomorrow. So then on Monday, I can at least start assembling some of the bits ready for it to be moved back in and out. And then I'm hoping next weekend, the engine's coming out to do the repair on the gearbox, get that sorted. Then we've got 1 more week of sort of finalising bits and making sure everything's okay, and yeah. And then the week after that, we're actually planning to go away in it. So yeah, it's kind of all hands on deck on it at the moment. Yeah, we've got 3 weekends to get everything done, and then it'll be the first sort of drive out in it. Obviously there'll be plenty of other little bits and bobs to do on it over time. I do want to lower it slightly, not too much, but just get rid of the arch caps and other bits and bobs. But yeah, they're all bits that can come in the future. But yeah, we want to just try and get it on the road and get it driving. So yeah, I'll get you set up on the tripod in bits and bobs. There's not much point in me filming loads of the preparation because you've seen most of it already, to be fair. It's just rubbing filler down, rubbing primer down, and sanding. So yeah, it's not exciting stuff. So I'll probably film little bits for you, and then mainly we'll focus on the actual painting side of it and the building up part. So yeah, I will see you in a few seconds with hopefully looking a lot different. Right guys, so I did a little bit the filming, I don't think it was much. Of just doing a bit of sanding here and there. You've seen it all before. It's literally just me running over with the DA and sanding filler and sanding primer and what have you. So this is 2 days after. So yeah, it's took pretty much 2 days of just solid prep work. I was here all day yesterday on my own, and then today, Jenny's been here with me all day today. So we've gone over the whole van. We've sanded all the filler down, blocked everything down, blocked all of the primer down. Full side on the other side's done. All the seam sealers done for the joints. Yeah, so basically it's all masked and ready. Couple of little bits left to do on the back end of just masking, and then obviously cover the wheels, and then pretty much just sort of having a good clean up before we get some water down on the floors and obviously start priming and painting tomorrow. The last bits that are left to prime are just a couple of little spots down here. These nothing major. They were only very small repairs to start with. So with them ones, I'm just going to do them what we call wet on wet, which is basically where we put the primer down first and then we paint over the primer whilst it's still sort of tacky-ish. It's basically like an undercoat rather than a primer, but it is the primer. So yeah, like I say, it's going to be a quick walk around it. We've done, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, on around the rubbers. You can see in there, so you've got like some string in there, which it goes all around the rubbers. It pulls the rubbers off the paintwork. That way it makes it so obviously the paint can actually get underneath the rubbers. Ideally, I would have liked to have taken all of the glass out, but just because of the time frame that I've now got to try and get it done in 3 weeks, it's not going to happen. So yeah, this is the next best thing, which is basically all the rubbers are, as you can see, they've got little gaps around them, so plenty of paint can go in there. All the gutters are all sanded down and prepped. So yeah, it's, let's say we've got the seam sealer in the gaps, tiny repair there that just needs a quick spot of primer over it. Again, all the seam sealer done down there. Same on the back end. So yeah, like I say, not a whole lot to film at the moment. But obviously tomorrow when we come in and I start getting it all sorted, primed and painted, we'll film that full section. And yeah, you can see the paint going down and hopefully things go into plan. So I will see you in the morning. A few seconds for you guys. But yeah, I'm off home now for a much needed bath and a whiskey. See you in the morning. Right guys, obviously it's the next day. I've been in all this morning just finishing off all the last little bits of masking, a couple of little repairs around the other side somewhere, a few little bits and bobs, and then just yeah, finishing off all the tiny bits. Wheels obviously covered up, just got to get some water down on the floors. Just in a quick clip of me going around it with panel wipe. I've been around the van 5 times now with panel wipe. So it's all panelled off, degreased, all the crap off it basically. And then I've gone over it with a tack rag, which is like a sticky cloth. If you've not seen one of them before, 1 second. It is one of these. So there's just like a sticky rag, and that just takes off any of the last little bits of dust that's left behind. Again, this is the 3rd one I've gone through. So yeah, it's had a really good cleaning down. So yeah, I think we're pretty much ready. I'll just go and give it a quick once over again now. Yeah, just double check everything, make sure I'm happy enough with it all, and then we shall start getting some paint down. So yeah, that's that side. So like I said, we've got some priming to do. A couple of small patches of primer to put down, like bits like that. So we've got a bar coat to go down first, which is just like a one-time use coat that you put over, and it just stops all the paint from reacting. So we'll throw some of that down first, then we'll put some primer over all the bits that need it, and then obviously hit it with the paint. So yeah, I'll get you set up on the tripod. So the next bit that you should see, hopefully, is some sort of colour or primer or something going down on it. So I'll see you in a second. So we've got the barrier coat down and 2 coats of primer. It's a bit tight in here, so yeah. Unfortunately, there's not loads of room for me to film. So yeah, we've got 2 coats of primer down. Paint is mixed, as you can see somewhere over there. So yeah, we'll get that in the gun and start putting some paint down.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.